Howdy y'all, this is Blake Cobble with Rust Arrow Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram of West Bend, and today I have a 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Touring Edition to tell you a little bit about. So the Chrysler Pacifica Touring, and especially the hybrid, comes with a lot of standard safety equipment that really builds a lot of value in looking at this particular van as opposed to a lot of the competition. So the Touring model is one that comes with cloth seats. It's a little bit more on the more economic side. It doesn't have any crazy leather or giant panoramic sunroofs, but you do get a lot of safety equipment that comes with it. So for starters, you'll get an adaptive cruise control system, and what that is, and compared to standard cruise control, is there are some cameras fitted on the front of the vehicle that scan and let the vehicle see other vehicles on the road ahead of you. And it actually works like a smart cruise control where it slows down the vehicle and prevents it from colliding with another vehicle. The Pacifica Hybrid enhances that because it also comes with pedestrian tracking. So not only does it see vehicles on the road, but it sees people crossing the street as well. And it has some ability to help the driver brake in those situations as well. It also comes with lane departure sensors and blind spot monitors. So the vehicle has some little triangles in the mirrors that lets you, that they light up when someone's in your blind spots at night. So that automatically makes you a heck of a lot safer. But it also has lane departure sensors. So when you're driving on the road, if you start to go off your lanes, the vehicle will gently correct you and keep you driving straight. And that's only touching a couple of the standard safety features that come on the Pacifica, and especially the hybrid. It also comes with a rear backup camera and park sensors. So the vehicle will actually brake itself if you're about to collide into anything when you're reversing it. And that's only touching, like I said, a few of the safety features that come on these things. They have a whole heck of a lot more, but with the Touring Edition, that's what you get. So come on down to Rust Arrow Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram today and take a look at some.